Okay, now we have looked at some of the operations. This section deals with a very specific kind of situation where you have fractions of fraction. For example, what is 7 fourth, 4 seventh divided by 2 thirds? Now the trick here is to recall that 7 divided by 4, or anytime you see the division symbol, which is the bar, the horizontal bar, it actually means a divide, using the division notation. And division is just the inverse of multiplication. So 4 divided by 7 is 4 divided by 7 is 4 times 1 over 7. Using that example on the example, we have 4 over 7 divided by 2 thirds, and then you flip 2 thirds to get 3 halves, which ends up becoming 12 over 14 or 6 over 7. Now, one strategy is to solve the numerator denominator separately just to avoid confusion. Now, in this example, I solve the numerator, 1 over x plus y over x squared. I determine that the LCD is x squared. So I multiply divide by x and get x plus y over x squared. In the denominator, I have 1 over y plus x over y squared. So the LCD here is y squared, and I end up with x plus y over y squared. Then I do a numerator divide by denominator, which makes me flip the denominator, and I cancel out whatever cancels out, and that's my final result. Let's look at some more examples. Here again, I solve the numerator separately, end up with this, solve the denominator, and my final expression is numerator divide by denominator, which means I flip the second part. Now this here cannot be factored. I mean, this can't be factored. So we FOIL it, and we end up with this expression. Over here, when you do this particular problem, with the numerator, right here, you don't have to FOIL. You can use this is an important trick. If you FOIL, you still get the same answer, but it's going to be lengthier. You can just use the difference of squares, and you get your cancellations, and you end up with 2x over x squared plus 1. That's it for this video.